Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account banned problem. If your TikTok account has been banned and you'd like to recover that or get out of that situation, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your TikTok application. From the For You page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner and tap on Report a Problem under Support. Now, tap on the pepper and pen icon at the top right hand corner. And now, right where it says Report a Problem, go ahead and type in Problem in the text box. You can type in your problem like this, as shown in the example. Once you type in your problem in the text boxes, tap on Report at the bottom of the page. You can also go ahead and include any proof that you have that might help you while resolving the problem. Once you tap on Report, all you need to do now is to wait for the reply from TikTok support. In general, the official customer support takes 6 to 8 hours to reach out to the customer query. That is how you can easily fix your TikTok account banned problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.